Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Friday. Today we're gonna be doing the next two sheets in your book. If you want to look for the ones with the flower pots and the sandals, that would be great. We're gonna be doing multiplication today. So go ahead, hit pause if you need to meet me here. Remember, these worksheets are going to be due. You need to take a picture of them and turn them in. All right, so when we look here, it says there are blank flower pots. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 flower pots. And it says there are blank amount of flowers in each pot. So I'll count those 1, 2, 3. There are 3 flowers in each pot. So I need to know how many flowers are in all. So we know we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 flowers in all. So it says this is repeated addition. We know that we're doing 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 will get us our 12. Cool thing about this is we know there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we could go 3 times 4 would also get us 12. All right, let's move down and see what we're learning about shoes here. That's sandals, which makes me want warm weather. All right, we have how many pairs of shoes? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 pairs of shoes. There are how many shoes in each pair? And we know that a pair gets us 1, 2. So then it says there are how many shoes in all? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We wanted to do repeated addition. We would say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So another thing over here, remember we have 6 pairs of shoes, 2 shoes in each. 6 times 2 is 12. All right. Now I want you to do the fact practice on your own down here below. We have 0 times 0, 1 times 1, 6 times 1, 5 times 0. All of those, these you should be able to do on your own. So make sure that you fill all of these in and have your answer done before you turn in on Friday, okay? At the end of the day today. So make sure you answer those on your own and then meet me. You can hit pause, then meet me down at the next page. Actually, I am going to need to scoot over here really quick and grab that next page. Which is I'm just going to make sure I have the right one for you here. Yes, we're going to talk about Harry Potter series. So, Miss Jane's class is taking a survey to see which book series the class likes best. They collect the information in the table below. Use the data to make a bar graph. So, we have a few titles of different books here on this side, and then we have the number of students that read each book. So we are going to go ahead and we see the Harry Potter's series. 5 people wrote that. So we look over here for Potter. We go over to 5. And then we can go down. And we can fill all of that in. Even more, just so it looks really clear. If you guys want, yours will look better than mine because you're not doing it on a computer. So make sure you fill in all of those. The Babysitters Club we see was 3. So we go over to baby. I'm going to go ahead and use my cursor for this one. Go over here to baby, and we're at 3, and then down. Fill that in. We'll see if we can't make this a little bit. I don't think we can make it any wider, so we'll just have to kind of do our best here to fill that in. Yours will, again, look better than mine. Fill in, fill in, fill in. Okay, the Magic Tree House, we go over here, and 7 people read that. So then we go to our 7, and then we're going to draw our line across on the Magic Tree House section. And then we're going to go all the way down here, nice and carefully. We're going to go down here. And then you can fill in your bar graph to make it look nice. Horrible Harry series, we see that 6 was here. So then we're going to go over to our 6 and then down. And then our last one is Nate the Great series is at 4. So we go over to 4, all the way over and then down. And so it says, how many students in all are there? So we know we're going to need to tally up all of these students. And so I'm going to take the ones that I see fit best together right away. So I know 6 and 4 go together. So that would be 10. And then I'm going to add 7. 10 plus 7 is 17. Then I'm going to add the 3. 17 plus 3 is 20. And then I'm going to add the 5. 20 plus 5 are 25. So I know that there are 25. How many more students like reading the Magic Tree House than the Nate the Great series? So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go, okay, Magic Tree House series. There were 7 kids that read that. So I know I need 7 in my math problem. And it's wondering how many more. So I'm going to minus how many were in Nate the Great, which is 4. And I'm going to go 7 minus 4 is 3. So I know that 3 more students enjoyed reading Magic Tree House than they did in reading Nate the Great. All right. Which book series is most popular? And the way we can find out if it's most popular is meaning most of the students read it, the most students. So when we see 5, 3, 7, 6, and 4, our largest number is 7. So we know that Magic Tree House was the most popular. So make sure you have this all written in. If you need to hit pause or rewind, go ahead. And then on your own, you're going to do the fact power here down below. This one is a little trickier than the last one I gave you. So make sure you take your time and remember, no calculators on this. So go ahead, fill all this in, and then you can submit pictures of yesterday and today's assignment to Google Classroom. And then make sure you work on Prodigy after that. Have a great day. Bye-bye.